In today's video, I'm going to teach you finish your design in Illustrator. We're taking your finished artwork and exporting it as a clean, high-quality JPEG, perfect for sharing, web uploads, or sending to clients. I'll walk you through each setting so you know exactly what you're choosing and why. Start in your Illustrator document with everything finalized. When you're ready, head to the top menu and choose File, then Export, and click Export As. This option gives you precise control over the format and settings of your final file, which is why it's ideal for a polished export. In the dialog box that appears, first choose the folder where you want to save the file. Picking a dedicated exports folder helps keep your project organized. If you create multiple versions, consider adding a date or version number to keep track. Next, type a clear and descriptive file name. Use something that makes sense later, like the project name plus a version. Avoid special characters that can cause issues in some systems. Now, open the format drop-down and select JPEG, shown as .jpg. JPEG is a great choice for photographs, social media graphics, and most general purpose sharing because it creates a small file with good visual quality. Just remember that JPEG does not support transparency. If you need a transparent background, you'd use a different format like PNG, but for this workflow, we're sticking with JPEG. Before you export, look for the Use Artboards checkbox. Turn this on if you want Illustrator to export only what's inside your artboard. This is especially useful if you have elements that extend past the edges or multiple artboards in one file. With this checked, you'll get tidy edges and can even specify a range if you have more than one artboard. Click Export and you'll see the JPEG options. Here, set the quality. Higher quality gives you cleaner results with a larger file size. For web or screen, high to maximum is usually perfect. For print, choose maximum to retain detail. Next, set the resolution. For digital use, 72 to 150 ppi is usually sufficient. For print, choose 300 ppi for crisp results. Then select the color model. RGB is best for anything displayed on screens. If your printer specifically requests CMYK JPEGs, you can choose CMYK, but RGB is standard for online use. When you're satisfied, confirm the settings, and Illustrator will save your file as a JPG in the folder you selected.